Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a different style for one of your themes in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your page and select there the third option, which is themes. And after doing so, you can scroll down here and you can see all the styles presented to you. Now you can select any of these, for example the emoji one, and you can see how the styles look like for the pin version, the knack code, and finally the pattern. Now it all depends what theme you want to customize here. So if you prefer, for example, the pin code, these are the options for you, and you can just press on the one that you like, and you can just press now on download theme down below. And now you can just press use this theme if you want to, and this is how it will look like from now on. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.